All right, this is a Costco that I've mimicked. Um, what are we looking at here? I don't think I made it too hard. No, didn't make it too hard. We just got to back up into that one by the wall. So I recommend doing this, hugging everything to the left and basically trying to do the widest U-turn you can do, which isn't much. So just keep hugging everything. Now there is an option. We could, oh no, I parked the truck there. Okay, you could go this way if this guy wasn't there, but he is. I wonder why I did that. All right, so we're going to keep turning, keep turning, keep turning. Keep hugging everything to the left. And, oh, got to go hard right, just to get my trailer pointing towards the space somewhat. All right, perfect. So I'm just going to put my steer there. All right, not too hard. I think I just lost a star. Yeah, because I'm taking too long. Yeah, in order to get 3 stars, you actually got to go quick. I may change that, or I may not. We'll see. Down to 1 star. All right, let's just see if I can get to 3rd star. Let's see how fast I can actually do this in. Means you got to go right away. Chances are you're not going to get 3 stars on your first shot. I'm not saying go fast in the real world. This is, again, remember, this is just a game. Just trying to get you guys used to stuff. All right, looking good, looking good, looking good. Hard right, hard left. There we go. Yeah, the more levels you do, the better you're going to get. Oh no, I think I drifted. I did drift. Let's see if I can correct it in the little time I have left. See, when you go fast, I lost it, damn it. So yeah, you basically got to do a perfect back in order to get those 3 stars.